For Sinisirib's Festival Director, none other than Mr. Ronald Arguelles.
Tonight, I am filled with mixed emotions because as we say, it's about to end already. Maikli na po yung festival natin. 7 days na po yung festival screenings. So ang bilis na mga pangyayari indeed. From the moment we called for entries last October 2024 to this very night, the journey has been a long one. And we started as BMX Film Fest, but with a vision to be more inclusive festival and to nurture new filmmaking talents, we evolved into the Sinisino Film Festival. And then, the road to this moment was not without its challenges. Sa lahat ng hirap throughout the years sa pagpili at paggawa ng mga pelikula, back and forth sa budgeting and approvals, we faced numerous obstacles. From classification ratings, yes, MTRCB, to technical and financial glitches. Malaki ang hirap to put up this festival. But we persevered, driven by our determination to showcase these incredible films and director. And so, we gather here tonight for the awarding ceremonies. I am grateful to celebrate your works, your people, and your brave voices. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Let us give a big round of applause to our family at Viva, at BMX, the press, and all the media outlets who supported us. Mabuhay ang mga press people and all the media outlets who work tirelessly to spread the word. Special shout out to Boss Vic, happy birthday again, and to Vincent and Boss Val, and the entire team behind this festival. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And most importantly, mabuhay ang mga aktor sa mga artista na sumali sa Sinisino Film Festival. Thank you. And mabuhay ang mga filmmakers ng 2025 Sinisino Film Festival. Para sa inyo ang gabi ko. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Sir Ross. Awarded actress and a proud representative of the bold spirit of Filipino independent cinema. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Miss Max Eigenman.
To every role he portrays, the versatile and fearless Tony Labrusca
is Audience Prize. Based on the audience's rating of the film after watching at Ayala Mall Cinemas and box office receipt numbers.
This is the exciting part of this award. We're going to start off with a bang, ladies and gentlemen. The Audience Prize awardee also will receive 50,000 pesos from Sinisino Film Festival. Not too shabby, no?
Not at all.
All right, without further ado, we have the excitement in the audience. I love to see it. The nominees are...
And the award for Audience Prize goes to Dream Boy!
Of course,
cash.
Award.
Ano, sa award mismo may cash ba?
Diba?
It is here to exist kasi kailangan natin ng mga ganitong pelikula, festival, para sabihin na ang pakikipagtalik ay hindi lamang para mag-anak, diba? Ang pakikipagtalik ay masarap at pleasurable. At inaalay ko po ito sa lahat na nanood, sa mga queer filmmakers, sa mga audience namin nag-show up sa cinemas. At syempre sa napakagaling naming promo team, most of them are Gen Zs, yes. So, inaalay po natin to. At ang 50,000, yes, makaka-order na tayo ng alak pa dahil. Salamat!
And the winner is... And the winner is... Paolo Almadel.
And sana lang po nandito si Sir Paulo, no, and the rest of the crew. Baka hindi na po kami matawag ulit, kaya magpapasalamat na po ako sa bumubuo ng lahat ng staff and crew namin. From the producers, Direk Sonny Calvento, Direk Arden Rod, Direk Sharon Dayo, mga tumulong sa amin, E&H, Stage Post, from my assistant director, cinematographer, production designer, down to the logistics. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tumulong sa amin. Baldoza family, Noreen Dasilio, salamat lagi sa masarap na pagkain on set. Maraming salamat po sa award na to. Sir Paulo, congratulations po.
Once again, congratulations to Hakosa.
The award for Best Sound goes to... Emmanuel Verona and John Bukidfort, Dream Boy.
Dream Boy. Hold muna. There you go. Smile, smile.
Gusto ko muna post, Iman, kasi, di ba, may discount kami, pero tignan mo may trophy. Thank you so much. Ang galing-galing ng film po, si Iman, I worked with him sa Mamo, sa first film ko, second feature. Tapos si John also, na tirelessly tinulungan kaming tapusin yung sound ng pelikula kasi sobrang halaga ng sound. Cyrus also did some parts of the design kasi parang yung music, yung sound, yung ibang elements kasi Dream Boy. Sobrang crucial na music. Ano sabihin mo? First film niya na na-score, he's only, 24.
Can I just say po, I think yung Dream Boy kasi, I think napakahirap niyang bigyan ng credits because we all did everything together. And napaka-proud ko po sa panalo natin, dalawa pa lang to. Pero, sorry.
Palang.
Pero okay lang maging winner. Okay lang maging mabangis at to go for what you want. And this is proof. Thank you. And shout out to Iman and the rest of the sound people. Thank you po.
Award for Best Production Design goes to... Chips Day Abando, Dream Boy.
Congratulations again.
Photo opportunity first to our Best Production Design, Chips Day Abando.
Chippy, so we call her Chippy. Mabuhay mabuhay mga tomboy.
Mabuhay mga tomboy!
Yes, mabuhay mga tomboy. I'm proud to say na yung buong art department namin ay puro tomboy. Mga tropa ko kasi talaga yung gumawa ng Dream Boy. Lahat kami magtotropa. Pero unang-unang sabihin ko muna, maraming salamat sa mga tomboy. Kasi binuhay ninyo yung pelikulang to. Magpapasalamat po ako sa... I'll take this opportunity to thank Chippy kasi sobrang liit lang talaga ng budget namin for this. We made sure to just use whatever we have. Yung ibang mga part ng set na to galing pa sa dati kong show. Thank you so much, Big Bob, Digo, sa pagpapahiram ng mga props from Drag din. Nagamit natin sa isang set. Meron pinadalang message si Chippy, sa Kali naman, di ba? Pinaganda siya. Ano yun, EJ? Kasama ko pala si EJ, ang aming actress sa Dream Boy.
Yes, and I worked closely with Chippy, so ito po yung message niya. Una, salamat kay Direk Rodina para sa opportunity at tiwala. Pangalawa, salamat sa lahat na naging parte at sa mga sumuporta sa aming pelikula. Sa mga nakipaglaban para mapalabas natin ang Dream Boy. Bilang isang lesbiana, isang karangalang makatrabaho ko ang aking trans sisters. Salamat po sa pag-recognize sa aming talento. Trans Lives Matter.